Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about solving compass error by two methods. Gyro compass error refers to the deviation between the gyro compass indicated direction and the actual true direction. It is the difference between gyro compass reading and the true north. This error can drift over time due to various factors, making regular checking essential. Here is a sample question for solving gyrocompass error. A vessel's gyrocompass reads 270 degrees. The deviation is at 2 degrees east and the variation is at 3 degrees west. What is the compass error? Now, together, we'll solve this compass error with Mr. Ampol.
First method on how to solve compass error. Now, I will use a division and variation formula to get the compass error. Based on the question number 1, the division and variation is given, which is the division is 2 degree west and the variation is 3 degree east. Then next is we will subtract it. 2 minus 3 is equal to negative 1. But take note, there is no negative answer if we will get the compass error. So the answer is 1. Since the higher value is east, so the sign is easterly. So the compass error is 1 degree east. And that is the final answer.
Very well said. Thank you, Mr. Ampol. With that answered, let us go to the second method on how to get the compass error. And here is the second sample question. A vessel's magnetic compass reads 270 degrees. If the true course is 260 degrees, what is the compass error? Now, let us tackle this with my good old friend, Mr. Casquete. Take it away, Brad.
Find the difference. Subtract the true course, which is 260 degrees, from the magnetic compass reading, which is 270 degrees. Therefore, 270 degrees minus 260 degrees equals 10 degrees. Remember this formula. Always minus. Furthermore, remember this gyro best, error west, gyro less, compass S.
Very well said, Mr. Casquete. Now, with no further ado, let us move on to the next topic, correcting and uncorrecting. Correcting, adjusting compass readings to get the accurate direction or true course. Uncorrecting, reversing corrections to get back to the original magnetic course. Another sample question. A vessel's gyrocompass reads 270 degrees. The deviation is at 2 degrees east and the variation is at 3 degrees west. What is the true course? Next, I'm gonna show you how to correcting. But first, let me remind you that the rule is minus east then plus west. So together, the formula is Totoo Vida Morales at Tikong Chicks stands for true course, variation, magnetic course, deviation, and compass course. I don't know why, but I can easily remember the solution if I do this. So let's go. True course stands for 270 degrees and the variation is 3 degrees east. So east is minus. So therefore your magnetic course will be 267 degrees. So let's move on to the deviation is given 2 degree west. So west is addition. So there you have it, folks. Your compass course is 269. Now let us move on to uncorrecting. So here is the other way around of correcting. So the formula here now is Candidman vote twice, and the rule is now plus east and minus west. So Candidman vote twice stands for compass course, deviation, magnetic course, and variation is equals to true course. So now let's solve. Compass course stands for 269 degrees and the deviation of 2 degree west. So west is subtraction. So we have to subtract 269 subtract to 2 degrees. 2 degrees west is equals to magnetic course of 267. The variation is given and 3 degree east. So we have to add. Now magnetic course and variation is equals to true course. So 267 plus 3 is equals to 270. Getting and solving Garo error by alongside or by fixed reference, which will be tackled to us by Mr. Alvar.
So, brief reminder for solving gyro error by alongside or fixed reference point. Gyro error causing inaccurate navigation is corrected using two methods: aligning alongside a known compass or using a fixed reference point. The difference between the gyro reading and the reference reveals the error. Correcting involves adjusting the gyro reading, and correcting reverses this. Accurate gyro readings are crucial for safe navigation, preventing course deviations and position errors. Now, let's proceed to the second example. A gyro compass reads 270 degrees to a lighthouse. The chart shows the lighthouse's true bearing is as 270. So, how can we calculate the gyro error? First, we must subtract these two. 270 minus 272 is equals to 2 degrees. So, since the true bearing is higher value than gyro compass, we must put a west. Now, I'm gonna show you how to get the gyro error. First, choose a landmark, pier, or other fixed object with a known bearing on the nautical chart. Second, use your gyro compass to determine the bearing of the reference point from your vessel's current position. Third, compare the gyro compass bearing with the charted bearing of the reference point. The difference between the two is your gyro error. So, for example 1, our gyro compass reads a bearing of 0.090 degrees to a pier. The nautical chart shows the pier has a true bearing of 0.88 degrees. Always remember that getting a gyro error, we need to subtract. Always subtract. So 0.90 minus 0.88 equals to 2 degrees. So how can we determine if the gyro error is west or east? So just always remember, gyro best, error west, gyro least, error east. So as we can see in the first example, the gyro compass reads a bearing of 0.90, so it is high value than true bearing. So we must put east since the gyro compass bearing is more higher than true bearing.